So now we're going to talk about proofreading with ChatGPT. And it can do some pretty cool things that you can do in your standard, Word software, but because you can also summarize and rephrase things inside of ChatGPT, it's kind of nice to have it all on one platform in one place. So let's start with a past PDF. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all this text and I'm going to paste it into ChatGPT, and I'm going to say, actually, we're going to see that there's some spelling errors here and here. So what I first want to start with is fix all grammar mistakes in the following text. We're going to paste this in. So as you can see, as it's typing this out, it fixed our spelling errors that we had here, here, and it also went ahead and removed the duplicate that we had here. So I'm going to go ahead and click Stop Generating, and one of the next things we can do is finding and replacing words or adding punctuation like parentheses, commas, exclamation marks. So I can say find and replace all of the words course with class and remove all number 4s and replace with number 6s. So we're probably not going to do that specific thing, but this will just show you how it can dynamically go in and save you a lot of time and energy of doing it yourself. Now we can make a change that's a little bit more subtle that your normal Word application or software would not be able to do. So what I have here is a brief overview of what else but quantum physics. So I'm going to go ahead and take this paragraph, and I'm going to take it into ChatGPT, start a new chat, and I'm going to say swap all complex terms with much more easy to understand terms for the average person. And instead of going in and directly replacing specific words that you don't want, it's using its understanding of the words and swapping out more difficult terms for something that would be more digestible for the average person. And of course, with this type of synthesizing of information, you can get as specific as you want. You can do it at 5th grade comprehension level, do it for a high schooler comprehension level, or any other specific terms.